Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can actually create your personal portfolio by Canva. So Canva is a great platform where you can create different type of creative designs and the different things like presentation, like any type of slide. You can also create a whole website from Canva. Yes, Canva had that power that you can create, you can envelop all with your creative idea. So personal portfolio is actually important for express your work or showcasing your work to the world, so you can just get the customers that you want, the expected customers, or you can actually create a perfect traffic or the fan base for you. So you can create a portfolio. So let me show you how you can use Canva to create a personal portfolio. So I'm on Canva right now, so you have to simply search for the, from here you can just search for the portfolio. So portfolio, if I just search for portfolio, here you can find the different type of portfolio that actually we can use. So it's pretty much cool if you want. So you can see there's different types of designs that you can use to create your portfolio from here. So we can, the some of them are actually on pro version, paid version, or some are actually free that you can use, and free are also some so much impressive that you can use. That here is something like animated. Here you can see the animated theme here, and different types of theme. You can explore all over here, and you can select your best one that actually suits you. So here you can we're going to select this one. Actually this is pretty cool actually. So you can go with this template here, or you can actually go with this from starting from the scratch. So you can simply click on create and you can search for portfolio. So it will give you the portfolio this ratio here, so like this online portfolio. And from here you can find different types of template that you can actually use to create your personal portfolio from here. So I'm going to select one again from here. So you can select portfolio template from there, and also from here you can select it, but we are going to create something like, and let me choose one. For example, let me choose this one actually. So for example, this one here, you can find the type of template that actually we can use. So here is the template style that we can choose. For example, this one, if I click on that, so here is the first page, the front page, that we can actually create one by one. You can customize all of this section from here, and here is some like you can actually change it. So here, so you can also change the style here, that you can let me show you how we can just delete that first. Now we can just change it, the template style here, just like this or this type of template. So here is all the black color, so you can find more color in different types of platform here, like this one. So you can get different types of style. Here you can see the text is just changing here. So you can just create these different types of portfolio if you want. So we're going to create a portfolio with this heading. Yes, that's like this. So we're going to search for, you can add that like Morrison. Subheading will be like SEO specialist, and body is rank one your business with the power of SEO. Just like this, we can just change the size of the text here. Then we can align it at the perfect section here. That it will show you the alignment line here, that you can add it to the mid side here. So we're going to create something like we're going to add it So here, from here we can add something like you can upload photos here, so you can add some photos here. So I'm going to add a frame first. So we are going to go to element and search for frame here. So here is different types of frame. You can simply click on see all and you can get all different types of frame that you can actually use to create a perfect portfolio for yourself. So we are going to create a picture of like you can add the frame here or different types of frame here. You can find this available here, or we can actually use the shape here, like shape. So we are going to add some shape here. So here it is. So we are going to add something, some shape here, or you can actually add some shape or the frame here. So we are going to add frame actually. That's why. So we're going to add some frame here, just like all. And here is some frame that you can use. So I'm going to with this circle frame here. So you can add that, just like this. I'm going to make it a little, just like this, and I can paste at the mid side here and also at the mid. Now from here we are going to upload an image here. So for example this image, so I have just added it. Now we are going to add if it will be pretty good if we just add a border here or at the bend this frame here. So we are going to search for shape. Now here is the not that actually. So we are going to get some shape here, all, and here it is. So we are going to add that shape here like this. So we will place it at the perfect place. Here it is, but it is actually blocking the image. So don't worry, you just need to click on position, or you can add, just hit the Alt+1 button on your keyboard. So we're going to set it to background here, just like this, or we are going to just lower that size here. So we are going to just like this actually, and also just like this. So it's looking good here. So also we can add some more, like we are going to, it is up to you how you can actually design it, how you design your portfolio. So it's actually totally up to you. So I'm going to add something more here, just like this. We're going to copy that frame here again. So you can copy a thing element if you want. So by this copy button here. So here you can see it is also on the upper side here. So we're going to set it to backward, just like this. So let's just set it perfectly here. Yeah. Now we are going to upload something like this one. So here. So here you can see we have just added something here. So we can add some animation if we want so on this text here. So we are going to add some animation here. That here it is, the John Emerson here. So here we can add something like this, or it will move like this, or it will move like this, or you can add something just like this, and also like this. So it's pretty cool, I think. So it's looking professional, and from here you can add that, we can add some image here, or we can add actually whole thing as animation here. So just like this. Here there are different types of animations that you can use. So I like this one actually. So we can adjust that here by simply click on that, and we can adjust it on the enter or the both here, or on the exit or both. You can set it for both here. If anyone enters to the page, they can actually get that animation, or for exit they can also get that animation, or otherwise we can just get one thing like the animation here. We're going to none here. So just like this. we're going to add only for that one here. Yes, that thing here, not that typewriter here, just like this. And we're going to add this as or this. And for images, we are going to create the group here. So this image and this image will be the group together. So it will be grouped together. Let me show you. Not sure. Let's first add the group and lock here. Sorry, not that lock here. We can select it and group, and these two will be group. Here you can see I have just created that group. Now this is only one image. Now we are going to add some animation here also, like this, or we can actually ungroup them. So we can just select it and fade. We are going to add the fade actually like this. So it's pretty much cool here. And also you can add something more if you want. So you can add the background image as anything. So from here you can add some social media icon here if you want. So like design or even element like Facebook icon. So you can find some paid icon here or some free icon that you can use. For example, this one. So just like this. You can add your contact details if you want. So then the Instagram, and here we are talking about that. Make sure that all of this icon is matched together, so you have to find on. So for that you can easily get purchase that premium plan of this Canva, so you can get the perfect icon that you were looking for. So here you can see if we can add that it can actually look like this. So we are going to add that here, the size that actually just like this, and also Twitter account icon. Here it is. So for example, we're going to add this one here. Color, we're going to change the color to white, and it's there a watermark. That's just because of we are actually using the free version. That's why it's showing the watermark here. Then you can change the alignment. And you can also write something like here. You can add some like text here, like simply click on text, and from here you can add some body text here, and you can add something. So let me add some text here. So from here you can just select all of your text. Now paste that here. So you can just change the this text from here. For example, I'm going to do it like this, and you can change the text font size here. So here is the font, actually the there is the match font here. So you can find the match font with your style here. And sure, you can see here the body text here. So you can just put it on this section here, or you can add the animation here that actually type like this here. So you can change the speed here. So if you have pro version, then you can actually change the speed here. So you can set it for both. So just like this, and make sure you have set it for both. Just because of when they scroll down or exceeding from this, or they are entering your portfolio, then at the both time, in the entering time and the exit time, they will get that animation here. So just like this you can do it. If I just play it, here you can see that's how your page will be animated, and this is your portfolio. That is pretty much cool here, that actually you can use like this. We're going to set it for both. Every is like both and both from here, and this also like so we are giving a finishing touch from here. And now let's see how it will look like. So just like this, and the end time here. or in the exiting time. So it will appear like this whenever they are exiting, that they will get a reverse animation also. So that's pretty much all thing about how you can actually create personal portfolio by Canva. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, and let me explain how you can actually share it before we are in that video. So here is the share button. You can download it. You can download it as a video or as a JPG or PNG, PDF format or anything, or GIF here. So also you can easily create a link here, or you can present and record this video if you want. So that's how you can just create a personal portfolio for you, and you can actually integrate this in your web page. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.